Hello, as you can see, the Challenger 2 main battle tank is finished. It's all been painted, some rudimentary weathering on it. As I've said in the past, I don't like this huge amount of weathering that people put on. It's each to their own, I suppose, in this world. Thoroughly enjoyed building the model. It's quite complex, not quite as complex as some of the truck models. For obvious reasons, most of the tank is streamlined, so it's safer. Basically, it's all very low to the ground, so it's harder to see. There's all sorts of reasons why there's not a lot on the outside. The paintwork is the British colour, which basically I got together with NATO green and 20% matte white, and it came out pretty much exactly as we wanted it. Machine gun on the top there, that rotates and elevates as it would do in real life. The hatch will open and close. As you can see, the weathering on it, you might not be able to see it very well on here. I've just done where it would wear in real life and highlighted the panels. See a little bit more on the bar armour, not on the bar armour, on the active armour on the sides there where I've highlighted it. And basically the effect that I was after was a machine that's just been washed, but you get grime in the little bits and pieces on the sides, and it's almost impossible to get out. I looked at quite a few videos of this tank, and the windows in there, the glass in there is tinted red, so that's what I've done. It might be a little bit dark on here, but that's the colour I had. The gun, as I mentioned on one of the videos, was quite hard to fit in. I think I've got it looking just about right there now. It doesn't look too far off. The transfers, there aren't that many of them, but they're on. The numbers on the rear. And whoops, let's move that piece out of the way. On the bottom at the back there, registration number and the Union flag, cables, first aid box. The bar armour isn't that easy to paint. I painted it while it was still on the sprue and then just touched up where I had to cut it off, and that seems to have come out okay. Some very delicate bits on the top. This bird table, as they call it, for some reason, well, it's an obvious reason, it looks like a bird table. The legs are extremely delicate. The legs, 3 legs that hold it up. In real life, they'd be steel bars, so it wouldn't be any problem at all. But on this kit, it's 3 bits of plastic which are quite delicate. Canvas sheets, no idea what they would be for. Any questions or any comments, good or bad, please leave them in the comments box below, and I'd be very grateful if you would like and subscribe. The next kit that I'm going to do is another Hobby Boss kit, and it's an M911, as you can see, C-Het with an M747 trailer, and that looks like it might be interesting to do. I'll let you know how I get on. Ta-da!